Hey adventurers! So we had a little hiccup in this week's plans. We initially were supposed to go to the sand dunes in Colorado, where this time of the year there's supposed to be a little stream that runs through the middle of it and it's supposed to be really beautiful. However, we've had both an issue with the truck and the trailer, so we've had to postpone that trip until next year. But this year, this weekend, we are going to do a little staycation and head out to Chatfield Reservoir, which is just south of Denver, close to Littleton area. By the rest of the country standards, it's a very small lake. In fact, when I first moved to Colorado, I thought it was a pond. Not a joke, that is real, but it's a lake in Colorado, and all the boats have to move in one direction. So that's where we're headed today. Do you want to talk about the truck?
A couple of issues that we had. First, the truck. The exhaust manifolds were leaking. A high-pitched whining noise, kind of sounds like a belt squealing, but it's an exhaust manifold on both sides that are leaking. So we're getting those replaced, new studs, new exhaust manifolds, new gaskets. There's also a downpipe coming from the turbo that needs to be replaced. So we're getting that all buttoned up. The trailer, on the other hand, is a little bit more difficult. We had a spring shackle mount break off the frame. It's a pretty common issue if you Google it. A lot of the toy haulers with triple axles like ours, there's a lot of stress when you make real tight turns. That rear axle gets bent a little bit and pulls. So Lippert is covering it. It is under warranty. The problem is finding someone to come out and take care of it. This is, of course, the prime camping season all over the place. I was able to find somebody that'll come out next Friday to take care of it. So we are no camper, no pickup this weekend at all.
So stay tuned. We're taking you to Chatfield. I looked up and was like, okay. And I'm like, wait, I'm in Colorado.
Yeah.
There aren't snakes in the trees here.
I admit, if you hadn't told me that story, I didn't even know snakes went in trees.
Yeah. I'll show you.
Good morning, everybody. Today is the day that we work on the trailer. As you know, we said before, we had a little bit of an issue with the spring mount hanger, and today we're going to try to fix that. So we'll come out and take a look at the damage. I got the wheels pulled off and the axle supported by jack stands. But let's take a look, and I'll show you exactly what we're talking about with the damage that was done. So let me turn this around for you. So specifically, here's what we're looking at. We have this shackle, which actually the shackle's over here, but this mount, the solid mount, this is a shackle hanger or a suspension spring hanger, and that has come broken off of the frame here. I've gone ahead and already moved this out of the way so we can grind that off and get a new shackle or get a new bracket welded onto the frame. And then what we're going to try to do is reinforce these shackles or these brackets as well and come up with a piece that goes from here onto the frame. So as you can see, this one is broken completely off. And then if we walk over here, I don't know if we can get a good picture of it, but this side actually is cracked. And I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but you can see a little bit of a crack in there. So we're going to repair that as well and hopefully brace that up and make it stronger. Well guys, we got the repair done. The mobile welder just left. Let me show you what he did. I'm thinking it's going to hold pretty well, but let me turn the camera around and show you what's going on here. So, you got the hanger re-welded, put some gussets in there so it does not happen again. He did take a look at the whole frame and found no cracks or no other issues on any other hangers. We are going to run it like that, and if we do have so many other issues, then I will definitely give him a call back. Juggernautwelding is his name. Fantastic job. Let me show you the other side as we go around here. Here's the other side. Have that bracket re-welded on, have the gussets on there. I need to put this back up again. I got that out of the way, so he wouldn't have to mess with that. It's just a piece of conduit for the wiring, but I'll take care of that.
Oh, this paddle does so much better. It's Mr. Beer I watched. Okay, tell me about your weird neighbors.
So your boys are gross, boys are gross. Is that on?
Yeah.
I took swimming lessons as a kid, and there, as long as I have life jacket on, it's here. This is a rare sighting of a female on a paddleboard about ready to piss in the lake. Here she goes. She's dismounting.
Yes.
I'm giving a step-by-step.
And he's giving a commentary on it too. He's giving a play-by-play.
This
Color
is
commentary going in right now.
it's a wild 40-year-old seen in the wild. Oh, this is a different position right here. Here she goes.